Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to go and click on account, and here you need to click on cellular data use, and here you, if that option is on, that is data saver. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance. To help you use less data, you simply need to turn that option off, and then you need to scroll to the Instagram Reels and they will automatically play. So this is the simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.